Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to start from here to finish like this. Yes, today I am going to repair a broken lamp with SOLIDWORKS xDesign on cloud. To do that I start with a mandatory phase, measures. I need to make sure my part will fit correctly and replace the missing wood, so I need a ruler and a caliper. Maker best friends. After a couple of measures, I have all the dimensions I need to create a part that will hold the lamp and will be fixed securely on the base. Dimensions and hole position are key so the part works correctly first time. Once this important phase is done, I can switch to SOLIDWORKS xDesign to design my part. Now all actions are straightforward, even if this is the first time you design. You start with a new name, then you choose a plan to start your first sketch. Then you are guided throughout your design journey with simple actions. When you create a rectangle, dimensions are proposed, so you just have to enter values. And these dimensions turn into driving dimensions, also known as parameters, automatically. This is that easy. This is the same to add material to your sketch. You click on Feature, Add Value, and this is done. When you want to add more material, you click on a face, start a sketch on this very face, and again, draw a contour with dimensions and add material. To select edges to round the shape, this feature is called Fillets. It's even easier. xDesign Assistant proposes edges you may need, so you can add fillets quickly in one single click. Middle hole is created with Through All option, so I don't have to know overall dimension, and it will adapt if I change this depth in the future. One thing less to worry about. For screw holes, I only have to hover the mouse on a circular corner to find the center and fix holes. This is very convenient. I use the same Through All trick to drill these holes. And I finish with chamfer, so screw heads will flush with my part, and my children can't hurt themselves when trying to switch the lamp on in the dark. I say my children, but it could be anybody. Last feature I need to add is a clearance hole, so I can mount the lamp on the wall. This hole will enable access to the screw below. This would be a big issue if screw hole was blocked by the part. I make sure hole diameter is bigger than screw head, and part is good to go. I use the 3D printing assistant to create the relevant file, which is an STL format with the right orientation to save supports. Then I leverage my printer slicer to create everything I need with the right material in the color I want. And I can jump to the next step, which is printing time. After that, I paint the part, and as you can see, it fits perfectly in place. I used some acrylic paint in light brown to match wood colors, more or less. Then I finish the assembly with the rest of the lamp, and I fix my part with 4 screws. Whole lamp is repaired and it's ready to be fixed on the wall again. If you want to be able to do the same today, this is very easy. You can subscribe to xDesign for a very cheap price. Connecting on solidworks.com/makers. You will also find other easy tutorials and examples made by the community of makers. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.